Welcome. It's Charlie Mar Beauty. I want you guys to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know what you guys think. We're door dashing with hubby and doing makeup. Okay, today we're trying something new, and I was recording while I was doing my makeup in my car. My husband door dashes. I ride with him. Sometimes I door dash with him. But today we just chilled, did our makeup in the car. Let's see how this goes. Okay, so I went in with the Ruby Kiss Pencil in the shade Dark Brown. Now I'm going in with the LA Girl Fawn Concealer, the shade's Fawn. Okay, make sure you blend out your concealer after you clean up your eyebrows. You want to blur out or blend out any harsh lines because that will come through your foundation. Now I'm going with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey to create my eyeshadow base. And then we're going to keep it simple and going with the D Chameleon eyeshadow palette. This is a palette I bought off Instagram. Has some really pretty colors. So we're going to go on with yellow and burgundy. Here's a picture of the palette. Sorry, it's not full screen. My camera was acting up, but it's a beautiful palette. Search the name on Instagram. I'm pretty sure you'll find it. Okay, so I'm going in and I'm blending out that LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Warm Honey. And we're blending up to the brow and then down. Thanks to Miss Creative Diva, she showed me this technique to contour your nose before you do anything else or lay down any eyeshadow. It's really just a nice base, a nice foundation for the contour around your nose before you lay out those beautiful colors on your eyelids. Give it a try. Let me know what you ladies think. Okay, I don't have that many brushes. I didn't bring that many apparently, but I'm going in with yellow first in the inner corner of my eyelids, and then we're going to go in with that burgundy. And this camera is not catching my best angles, so bear with me. I'm all over the place. The ride's bumpy, but we're going to get her done. Okay, so I'm going on with the e.l.f. Poreless Primer. And then we're going to go on with the L'Oreal Foundation, Infallible Wear Foundation in the shade 520. It comes off a little bit orange, so I look like a Oompa Loompa. But I promise it's going to oxidize. Trust the process. Okay, so I went in with another coat of the L'Oreal Infallible Wear Foundation in the shade 520 because I'm looking for fuller coverage. That was a little light, so we went in with a second coat. Okay, now I'm going on with the Fenty Beauty Match Stick. It's a contour stick in the shade Ebony to contour my face. I can't wait to use all of this. This is a deeper color than what I need. Yeah, I can't wait to try other shades. Okay, I'm going in, I'm blending all that out. Make sure you blend this right away. It tends to dry, and once it dries, it's harder to blend. So blend it right away. Concealer in the shade Caramel. I hope it's okay. It's like I said, my skin dry. I hope it do an okay job today. Say fingers crossed, no creasing. We gonna see. Can't make no promises. I think I used this before too, and it might have been in my drawer for good reason. But we using all products before we go makeup shopping, okay? All products. I done broke them out of the makeup drawer, okay, y'all? Okay, so I blended this out beautifully. I blended it right after I laid it down. This is the L'Oreal concealer in the shade Caramel, number 400. It blended out beautifully. You can't let it sit. You gotta blend it quickly because it dries quickly. Let me know what you guys think. Okay, less is more. I use very little Morphe setting powder in the shade Banana Rich. As I laid down this setting powder, it melted into my skin. It literally melted the colors together, and it blended so perfectly. Going in with the Juvia's Palace Place bronzer in the shade Dark.
We gotta pick them up. And talking about people who have actually done it on a global scale, we cannot go without saluting the person that actually did it. He started to do DJ. This is the first time I saw him. I call him the god of it. There was once a little bit of a clash one time between Beanie Man and him, where Beanie Man was saying the king of dancehall, and no disrespect to Beanie Man, because Beanie Man do the thing. Yes. But if you look at somebody that has
Okay, now I'm going in with the NW45 MAC Studio Fix Foundation Powder in the shade NW45. Alright, you guys, DoorDash with me and my husband today while I did makeup. It's Charlie Mar Beauty. Like, comment, and subscribe.